Hey, so we're going to be looking at the Wyze Duo Cam battery-powered doorbell. And I just wanted to also show you, I've been really on a Wyze kick lately. And so I bought a Wyze camera back when the last of the dinosaurs were dying out. The good news is Wyze and their products today have really come along. And as I keep trying things that are really going to work for my home and easy, I want things to be easy. That's what I'm finding with these newer Wyze products. I've been using a smart lock by Wyze that I really like, and I just installed 2 doorbell cameras. Today I'm showing you this one, and I'll compare the two in a few days and see what the differences are just in terms. But today's is the one with the 2 cameras on it. So you have the main camera facing forward, but you also have a camera looking down. So you get 2 views of what's happening. What you get in the box is pretty standard for these kinds of doorbells. You get an installation plate, which is going to go against your wall, and you have the potential to angle the doorbell as necessary. You get a charging cable and a battery with this. And then with this one, you also get an indoor plug-in chime. So if you're having trouble hearing a doorbell, and that's what was happening with my other one. I actually left a guy at the door for 2 minutes in a snowstorm a few days ago because I didn't know he was there. And I knew it was time to get rid of that doorbell, but that was the kicker for me. So as with a lot of battery powered doorbells, if you want to hook them up with where you have a wired already in place, you can. They do have the hookups on the back for a wired system. And I'm going to be running this one on its battery. Its battery is a rechargeable one that can pop out. And so as I put it in and get started here today, I'm going to be setting it up. I'm going to be putting a micro SD card in it. And so that's one of the reasons that I like Wyze. I've been using more of their products is local storage, the ability to not pay a fee to see my own videos. So that's where I am headed with everything that I can. Right now I'm kind of in this, if Wyze made everything I needed, I could just do Wyze, I think. Did I mention it's a 2K camera? That's pretty awesome. And so at this point, I don't even know how many smart doorbells I've been through. How many has it been?
I don't know. Too many, I'd say.
Yeah, I don't know either, but there have been quite a few over the last 3 or 4 years. I keep trying to find the right one that hits the sweet spot between not paying extra for it and getting what I need. Notifications, clear footage, night vision, and not running the battery down too quickly. I hope this one's going to hit that sweet spot. Here's a video from the doorbell I uninstalled, and it's not bad at all in difficult lighting conditions, but I really like the wider angle here from the Wyze camera, and here is what it looks like on my phone turned the long ways. Here's what you're going to see in the dark. This one's with the porch light on, and then this view is with the porch light off, so I think it's going to do what it needs to do there. Smart camera, smart doorbells are only going to be as helpful as the app is helpful. And so with this one, it has a good amount of settings that you can make adjustments and do what you want to do in terms of making zones, blocking out things like your neighbor's windows, and you don't want to get every event from the sidewalk. At least in my case, I don't. So I was able to limit that. You can set which events you want to hear about. So the local storage is also a big part of this. There are settings then that come with a subscription. I'm doing a trial of that, but some of the extra AI type notifications and facial detection, that's only going to come if you're willing to pay. If you do want to pay, then Wyze is one of the better services in terms of the amount that it costs compared to others that I have used. So just something to consider. I'm not going to pay for a service, but if you're wanting to, it's there. It's the Wyze Duo Cam video doorbell, battery powered. Hope this video is helpful if you're looking at something like this. I will link this one below. Thanks for watching. Easy.